Welcome to Top Travel, your ultimate guide to exploring the world. From the best travel deals to hidden gems across the globe, we've got you covered. Now get ready to discover your next adventure.
Today, we're diving deep into one of the most electrifying destinations in the world, Las Vegas. But, here's the twist, this isn't just about casinos and slot machines. We're going to show you Las Vegas beyond gambling, a city full of surprises that will leave you spellbound. Whether you've been here before or it's your first time planning a trip, buckle up, because we're about to explore a side of Las Vegas you may have never imagined. Las Vegas is, of course, world-renowned for its nightlife and casino scene. However, there's so much more to this glittering oasis in the desert. The first thing you notice upon arriving in the city is the breathtaking skyline. Neon lights stretch as far as the eye can see, but it's what lies beyond those flashing lights that reveals the true heart of Las Vegas. Beyond gambling, the city pulses with cultural landmarks, fascinating history, and natural beauty. Start by wandering down the famous Las Vegas Strip, not just to marvel at the iconic hotels, but to take in the architecture and atmosphere of the themed resorts. Each one tells a story, from the Eiffel Tower replica at Paris, Las Vegas to the Grand Canals of the Venetian. It's like a world tour packed into just a few miles, and this experience alone is worth the trip. You can feel the energy of the city, but Las Vegas beyond gambling offers so much more than you may expect from just a walk down the strip. For those of you who love a good show, Las Vegas has become a premier destination for entertainment. And no, we're not talking about a one-off magic act or comedian. Some of the biggest names in music and entertainment call Las Vegas home for residencies that rival any major concert tour. Stars like Adele, Lady Gaga, and Cirque du Soleil have made Vegas stages the epicenter of must-see performances. What's even more impressive is the variety, whether you're into mind-blowing acrobatics, heart-pounding live concerts, or intimate performances, there's always something to catch. But Las Vegas beyond gambling also gives us art and culture that often gets overshadowed by the glitz and glamour. The Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art is a hidden gem right on the Strip, where you can immerse yourself in world-class art exhibitions. For a dose of local culture, head to the Neon Museum, where the iconic neon signs of old Las Vegas are preserved. Walking through this outdoor gallery, you get a sense of the city's rich history, from its mid-century heyday to the present. These cultural destinations provide a much-needed break from the fast pace of the casinos and clubs, offering a different perspective on what this city is all about. Now, if you're a nature lover, this might surprise you. Las Vegas, located in the Mojave Desert, is surrounded by some of the most stunning natural landscapes in the United States. Just a short drive away, Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area offers breathtaking hiking trails, perfect for those looking to escape the city. Towering red sandstone cliffs contrast with the desert sky, making it a photographer's dream. This is Las Vegas beyond gambling, an outdoor playground that most people don't realize exists. And we can't talk about nature without mentioning the iconic Hoover Dam. Only about 45 minutes from the Strip, Hoover Dam is an engineering marvel that has shaped the history and growth of the region. Take a guided tour to learn about the dam's construction, its impact on the development of Las Vegas, and the immense power it provides to the Southwest. It's a must-see for anyone who loves history, engineering, or simply wants to stand in awe of human ingenuity. For those craving an adrenaline rush, Las Vegas beyond gambling offers plenty of action-packed activities. How about a helicopter tour over the city or even over the Grand Canyon? Imagine seeing the Strip from above, the neon lights twinkling against the desert night. Or, if you prefer your adventures closer to the ground, try out the city's countless ziplining options or visit the Speed Vegas racetrack, where you can drive exotic cars at top speeds. Foodies, you're in for a treat. Las Vegas has quietly become one of the best culinary destinations in the world. You can find everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to hidden gems serving up unique flavors. Whether you're in the mood for classic American fare, sushi, or a 5-star tasting menu, Las Vegas has it all. Be sure to check out the famous buffets too. These aren't your typical all-you-can-eat spreads. We're talking about gourmet buffets with seafood, prime rib, and decadent desserts that will satisfy even the most discerning palates. This culinary scene is yet another reason why Las Vegas beyond gambling is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates good food. One of the city's most unexpected delights is its shopping. The malls in Las Vegas are unlike any other. Places like the Forum shops at Caesar's Palace and the shops at Crystal's aren't just for shopping, they are experiences in themselves. Stroll through luxury stores and marvel at the architecture, fountains, and art installations that surround you. Whether you're looking to splurge or just window shop, Las Vegas has something for every shopper's taste. Speaking of experiences, Las Vegas is also a hub for sports fans. Over the past few years, the city has become home to major league teams like the Vegas Golden Knights, hockey, and the Las Vegas Raiders, football. The energy inside T-Mobile Arena during a Knights game or Allegiant Stadium for a Raiders match is nothing short of electric. Even if you're not a die-hard sports fan, catching a game here is an unforgettable experience that showcases another side of the city. This is Las Vegas beyond gambling, where excitement isn't just found on a casino floor. If you're traveling with family, don't worry, Las Vegas has plenty for all ages. The Adventura Dome at Circus Circus offers a mini theme park experience with rides, games, and even a mini golf course. Meanwhile, the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay is a favorite among kids and adults alike. With over 2,000 animals, including sharks, rays, and sea turtles, it's an underwater adventure in the heart of the desert. Finally, Las Vegas is a city of constant reinvention. New attractions pop up all the time, from immersive art experiences like Meow Wolf's Omega Mart to the Fremont Street Experience downtown, where zipliners fly overhead while live music plays below. Even the city's nightlife is evolving, with rooftop bars and lounges offering spectacular views of the Strip, giving visitors a new way to enjoy the city. As we wrap up, remember that Las Vegas is a city of endless possibilities, a place where there's always something new to discover. Whether you're here for the world-class entertainment, the breathtaking natural beauty, the incredible food, or the excitement of live sports, there's truly something for everyone. So the next time you think of Las Vegas, think beyond the casinos, beyond the gambling, and explore all the other treasures that make this city one of the most dynamic travel destinations on Earth. We've got so much more exciting content coming your way, and we can't wait to share it with you. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next trip.
Thanks for watching Top Travel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and reviews. Until next time, safe travels.